Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package, and I'm not gonna unpackage the whole thing in front of you. This comes to me from Coodeals. Coodeals. I've gotten a few things from them. They are a newer, budget-friendly company, although they're trying to focus more on doing things like mystery diamond paintings and custom diamond paintings, and I did get a custom from them. So I just wanted you to see how this thing came packaged because it's different than some of the other things I get in the gray bag. So first of all, let me just pull it out. I just want you to see this and then I'll unpackage everything. But look at this. I mean, it has come in bubble wrap and tape galore, all right? It has some foam stuff in here. It is packaged to the hilt. And look at, none of these come in the little white bags. They're all coming in a clear bag like this, right? And there's more foam in the bottom, see, to protect it. The packaging was just something. And each of these comes with my name on them. Look, right? Okay. All right. So let me get them out of the packaging and we'll look at them in more detail. Okay. Okay. So I have them all out of the packages. I just wanted to real quick let you know that like each of these bags opens like this way. It folds over. And you open it like this and everything's folded. It's very nicely packaged. And it's come wrapped around the drills and they tend to lay flatter, not be as deeply creased as some of the others. So anyhow, here's what their standard toolkit looks like. So their standard toolkit is a little upgraded. We have the white boat, tweezers, some baggies, a wax. So a little upgrade on the toolkit, not just your green boat, pen and wax, so that's nice. Each of them comes with this little strip here. See, it tells me it's for me, Mindy. Here's the picture, the size, and some other things. I don't know. I think Jack's the person who put the order together, honestly. So each one comes with that. And they each apparently come with a inventory sheet with your drills. Now look, my name is on everything, you guys. My name's on every single thing. It's even on the canvas. So, yeah. Here's the one thing I'm not especially fond of. We'll talk about that in a second. But, I mean, who doesn't love a good inventory sheet, you know? Tells you what you're supposed to have, how many bags, because we have separate bags. That's the one thing I am not crazy about. Is the small bags, and you have to count them and make sure you have everything. But, you know, it's got 24 colors. You can make copies of this so that you can put your symbols on your containers when you kit up. It's got a picture. Yeah. So, I mean, here are the drills. This is how they come, right? So, sorry. Remnants of the sickness, right? So this is 606, and they come like this. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of 606. So you go to 606, 9 bags, just check it off. You know, you got everything you need, all right? So these are not my favorite packaging for drills, but I mean, I can deal with it. Look at the pretty colors though. I'm not gonna take them all out just because of the strips, but we have purple, we have blue, we have yellows and oranges, more purples, yellow, green. I mean, look at the colors, right? Look at the colors of the painting. That's what we have. It's pretty much a rainbow. Well, it is a rainbow. And it is 2 cute little gnomes. Sorry, I'm making so much noise with this. Just trying to get these back in here, and they're not cooperating, right? Come on, seriously? There. Okay, I'm done. Done fussing with it. All right. And it just says love always wins. Okay? the two gnomes, the rainbow, you know, all of that. Yes, just love each other. You know, life is too short. Life is just too short. Just be kind, be loving. And see, it's not those deep, deep creases. I mean, sure, there's a couple, but they're not like so severe that they're going to take days and ironing to get them to come out, right? So I like the way these come packaged. I really do. I wish the drills were more, you know, in the strip type. And I have talked to him about that. But I think the last time we talked, there were guide circles. We talked about the guide circles. And if you look at this one, you'll notice that this one does not have guide circles. So, you know, one thing at a time, right? Got rid of the guide circles. Maybe we'll work on a different drill supplier and we can get the drills in the strips. You know, I still do like the inventory sheet though. All right, let's put this back in here and we will move on to the others. I have quite a few. And I have some real surprises here that I did not realize it was what I was getting. So, yeah, let's get ready for that, okay? All right, here's the next one. This one is a 40 by 40. Again, it's got the same toolkit. It's got this little strip that tells you, you know, it's mine, the size. The drills, again, are packaged, you know, in the small bags. And I'm not going to open all of these up because these go everywhere. But we have some black, cream, brown, tan, pinks, and some mulberry color. We have our inventory sheet in there. Here's our picture. This one has 30 colors, okay? We have a legend over here. It's only on one side of the canvas, but here's our legend. And we have this snowman, and he just has his snowballs, right? The snowman with snowballs, and he's got a bird up there. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Good and sticky. I like it. It's got this checkerboard background, and then the border around the outside has like snowflakes. This is one I would probably not do the corners, you know, and just do the round section. Yeah, so that's what they look like. I mean, the drills look nice. It's not that they're not good drills. It's just they're a little more time consuming to deal with the little packages like that. All right, so that's the second one I got. All right. All right, where do I move this to? I got stuff over here. All right, let's bring this one over. This one's either the companion piece to one I already have that I talked about, or it's the same one. I can't remember. There are two snowmen that are in this style that have a word on them, and I can't rightfully remember if this is the same one or this is the other one. I think it's the other one. I'd have to go back and look and see what the first one was I got, but I think they're super cute. This one is a 35 by 50. Now, is it a true 35 by 50, or I have a feeling it's probably not, but let's see. We'll measure this guy and we'll see. He's 29. Okay, so he's not 35. But because he is 35 by 50, everything is larger than on the 30 by 40 would be, right? So I like that. I like that it has the bigger size, right? Here's all of our goodies, right? And then here's our drills. Again, here's our inventory sheet. This one has 35 colors. It's got quite a few colors. And if you look up close again, we have no guide circles. And everything looks very, very clear. I love this. Give me a good snowman any day. I love my snowman, right? Love, love, love my snowman. Okay, can we see the colors? We've got reds. Okay, focus. Reds, white, pink, blue, gray, some orange, lots of gray and blue colors, creams. Come on. Thank you. Gotta hold it down lower. It's trying to focus on the painting. Can you see the beautiful colors? I just don't want to take these all out. I have some others I'll take out because I was really surprised what I got. I was not anticipating that. Okay, so you can't ever get confused whose this is, what size it is, what painting it is, right? Everything's right there. All right. Okay, here's a surprise. You guys will recognize this painting, all right? And I honestly thought it was going to be the special drill Snowman, the bubble round Snowman. Well, it is not. It is totally not. And then I looked at it and I'm like, oh, well, it's a full drill. Well, it is. It truly is, with 28 colors. All right. So I was like, okay, I didn't realize it came in a full drill. Well, surprise, surprise, surprise. Look at my full drills. My full drill are rhinestones. It is a full drill rhinestone. So not a special, with special shapes and bubble rounds, not resin drills, but rhinestones. 28 colors of rhinestones on that small little painting, right? So let's see how the rhinestones come. Yeah, this one surprised me, let me tell you. All right, so they come exactly the same way in the small bags. There's a whole bunch of those. They have a code, 794, so I don't know if that's a DMC code, if it's a crystal code, what it is. These are all purple. You can tell they're purple, very pretty, right? These appear to be black resin drills. No, they're not. They're 939. Okay. They look like they're resin, though. They could be. What's this one? Where's my number? 322. No, that's a crystal. That's a rhinestone. Okay. Well, surprise. Surprise, surprise. A full crystal painting. All right. Some green. There's more colors in here, but yeah, there you go. That's very interesting. Like I said, I was quite surprised to see that that was full rhinestone. All right. Okay. I'll put those away in a bit since I made a mess. Let's look at the next one. I'm just moving these this way and that way and this way and that way. Okay, stay. Don't fall off my counter. Don't make a mess. Now this one, again, surprise number 2. I thought I was getting one of the special drill quilling. All right. And I pulled it out of the bag and I looked at it and I was like, nope. Again, we have full coverage. Everything is diamond painted on here. Background included, right? 30 colors on it. And I flip it over and I look at the back and I'm like, rhinestones again. Another full rhinestone painting. Interesting. All right, so I'm very interested in these. I mean, I'm not going to take all these out because I showed you the last ones. But I mean, you know, we've got golds and we've got, well, I can see some teal in here. But if you look at the picture, we've got orange flowers. We got some purple. We got teal. And then we have that green and yellow background. Can you see anything in here? They all look dark, don't they? They just look dark. Well, I think these all are dark. These are all dark colors. But there's some gold and yellow. There's that pretty teal I was talking about. All right, can you tell? There you go. Reds, yellows. We got some pretty purple. Okay, another full rhinestone kit. I was surprised, like I said. I didn't realize that was what I was getting. I don't know if it said that in the description or what it said, but I'll have to go back and look, see what it actually said. I have one more to show you. All right, and this one, I've been eyeballing this one for a while, so I finally have it. Finally have it. It is my gnomes, my gnomies, and it's just Let It Snow. This is, again, one of those 35 by 50s, so it's got a bigger size to it, and I think it's going to help everything turn out. Look at the lettering is perfect. Up there, down here, we got Snowman. Like, she's got a snowman, or he's got a snowman. Is there any girls here? Or are they all boys? I think they're all boy gnomes. He's got a bucket of snowballs. They're having fun out in the snow, aren't they? Blues, love the colors. It's just, it was so pretty. All right, so yeah, here's our colors. Lots of different blues, beiges, and teals. And that's about it, really. Some little off pink colors, maybe. Anyhow, that is what I got, you guys. So I thought, what an interesting turn of events this was. A lot of snowmen, right? A lot of snowmen. But yeah, I'll have to go look and see if the description says that these are full crystal. I really didn't think that they were, but they are. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this unbagging. This is the way that you'll get things from Coodeals, and they're doing a nice job. Everything's packaged very nicely, and there's an extra level of care, right? We've gotten rid of the guide circles, which is a good thing. Next thing I'll suggest again, to go to maybe some strip packaging, but pretty nice. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to go and clean up all my mess now and finish decorating my house for Christmas. All right. I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great day. Hit the like button, subscribe, all of those good things that you do. And I appreciate you all for it so very much. Without you, there is no Mindy's Diamond Moment, right? Okay. Have a great day, everybody.